Hey, good day to you. This is Rin, founder of Forex 100. So today on the weekly market analysis, let's look at euro dollar. On the daily chart, we can see that it is still in a consolidation. But if you look closely, initial candle over here, rejection of the high price, and another rejection. Alright, on the higher side, where you can see the shadow, not much on the bottom. So I do see that it's a potential trend reversal coming up in the coming week. On the 4-hour chart, this is what we got. Consolidation area, market push higher and rejected again. Alright, down to the 1-hour chart, we start to have the MMW formation. Back to the daily, let me share with you my analysis. So over here, what we can see is an indicator that I'm teaching. You can scan the QR code at the bottom and you link to the membership site. And of course, if you love to be in the community, do it like right now, because I'm going to make some changes and some of the benefits will be removed. And if you are in the system now, then you get the best of both worlds, because if you are already in, then I will not remove those benefits for you. How good is that, right? Alright, so back to this, and let me share with you my analysis and uptrend movement. And this will be the support level, support area. And if the market break and close below the low, the support level I'm looking at 1.1382. Alright, as a major support. This will be the target I'm looking at once the market break and close below the low over here. So hoping that this is going to happen very soon, coming week. Can't wait to make a killing in the market. 4-hour chart still remain pretty bullish. Alright, but as you can know, that my overall trend right now, I've did my analysis, overall is bullish, but seems like trend is going to reverse. I want to get into the action early. Alright, and the 1-hour chart, there are two setups. The first setup, what we see is a bearish sharp pattern. Alright, so if the market break and hit up to 1.1908, alright, 1.1980, sorry. Alright, in the most unlikely situation, I'm going to head in for a shorting opportunity. If not, I'll observe how the market form out over here. If there's a reversal, then I'm waiting to short at the target level, either 1 or 2. I have to see the candle confirmation over there. And all these will be posted over here, alright, to our members. Alright, so that's pretty much I have for you today. Till then, remember, always plan your trade and share your plan. Looking forward to see you soon. See you guys.